Welcome back everyone, it's Chris from Chris Travels, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Hikity 9-inch double DIN Apple CarPlay and Android Auto head unit. I must start this video off by saying that this was not sent to me. I purchased this through Amazon, and I will have Amazon affiliate links in the description box of this video if you're interested in picking up one of these. A while back I made a video on the single DIN version of the Hikity 9-inch Apple CarPlay and Android Auto head unit, and that was for the RV. But my truck uses a double DIN, and I was able to find one that was double DIN. I really enjoyed the single DIN 9-inch head unit, and now that I can actually have one in my truck as well, it's just truly amazing. Here's the box for the Hikity 9-inch double DIN Apple CarPlay and Android Auto head unit. Here's all our cables. We'll go ahead and pull these out and take a look at them. I know this one comes with a backup camera. Here's the power cable. This looks like it is specifically for the backup camera. And here is the product manual. You know what I say, read your manuals. There is a large possibility you will find out something you did not know and may need to know. All right, here is another bag. This one does come with a USB, a second USB. All right, and everything is labeled. I know I was asked a few questions on my single DIN Hikity video about certain wiring, and these wires are actually labeled. And there's some mounts. Here is the microphone. Here is the manual for the head unit. I will put this on here in case you have any questions. And of course, you can always comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer any question. I try. Look at this. Here it is. Installed in my 2003 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Turn in the key. Shows the boot logo. Here's all your radio controls. The home screen kind of gives you an overview of what's happening. You have your date, what is currently playing, radio. If you plug in a USB that has audio files, there's a chance it'll play it. Setup menu, phone link, which we'll get to in a little bit, and Bluetooth. Yes, this has Bluetooth. Down the side, you have your function buttons. This color can be changed in the system. You have power, home, back, your volume up and volume down, and what you don't see is a little microphone. You have a front recessed reset button. You just push a paper clip in and restart it. Let's head over to setup. You can kind of see what's going on here as far as the language. This is where you change your key lights like I was talking about earlier. What color you want your lights to be. Cycle all the colors. Why not? Going back, reversing mute is a good one. I see quite a few comments about how everything seems to mute when you back up. This is why. This mutes audio of any kind when you're backing up. So that's the issue. Here is the radio with mute on. And it shuts off. Putting it back in drive. Comes back on. Turn reverse mute off. Stays on when you reverse. Reverse guide gives you that nice little gradient that you see here. And you saw, I threw it right into reverse and everything worked. Scrolling down some more, you have more camera, more panel stuff. Logo, there's a logo option, but I can't change it. If any of you know how to change the logo in this radio, drop a comment down below. I would love to know. This is the About section. tells you your software version. Here's where it gets very, very interesting. The sound settings. This head unit ships with the DSP. Now, how good the DSP is basically up to you. I think it works well for me. The equalizer is actually so huge, you need to change pages to get to all the frequencies, which is kind of neat. Loudness as well. You could boost your 40, 80, or 120 hertz. V-bass, if you want to crank the bass up. Emperor mode, if you want to put the sound in any specific region of the car. Filter, this does have a high pass and low pass filter. You can play around with this. And then you can turn the DSP on and off with the cool little globe wearing sunglasses and headphones. Here is your panel settings. Brightness, contrast, hue, and saturation. Play around with this. You can even change your aspect ratio. Date, self-explanatory, and time. If you want to change your wallpaper to something funky, there you go. And again, if you know how to add more wallpapers, leave a comment down below. I'd love to know. We'll hang out with this blue and see how it looks in the end. Steering wheel controls. You have to follow the instructions. I didn't use any of these because I don't have media controls on my steering wheel. This head unit features wired Android Auto and wired CarPlay, along with Wi-Fi or wireless. And the reason why I use Apple CarPlay is for RV life. It is absolutely amazing what a CarPlay head unit and RV Life Trip Wizard do when they work together. Not only can you find places to go, but you can find new places to go and how to safely get there. And if you're interested, check my affiliate links in the description box of this video to get started with RV Life Pro and RV Life Trip Wizard. Where this unit really shines is when you connect your iPhone or your Android device. And there is Apple CarPlay. When I'm using RV Life, I can listen to Spotify. Mara is going to assist me with the Android side of it. Android Auto, just like that. This is where the map would load. And everything works like it's supposed to. All right, let's see if we can play a little music. That's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you got some value out of it, and if you did, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about these head units. I am always blown away when I find something that's so inexpensive that functions so well and does exactly what I need that it just gets really exciting for me. Once again, thank you so much. This is Chris from Chris Travels, and hope to see you on the road.